How to monetize Instagram account. Let's get started. First, open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. From here, go to Settings and Activity, then scroll down until you find the For Professionals section. Tap on Account Type and Tools and then select Switch to Professional Account. Now choose the category that best describes you. For example, you can select Creator if you're building personal content or Business if you're promoting products or services. Once that's done, your professional account will be set up. Next, go back to your profile and tap on the Professional dashboard. Here, tap on the Settings icon in the top right, then scroll down and select Monetization status. If you're eligible, you'll see options like Branded Content, which allows you to earn money through brand deals. Go back to the dashboard, tap on Branded Content, and enable the tools. This will help you collaborate with brands and stay eligible for monetization features. To start earning, you can either reach out to brands directly or work with agencies that connect creators with companies. Once you get a brand deal, while posting your content, tap on More Options at the bottom, then enable the Partnership label and Ads option to tag your brand partner. And that's it. You're now ready to start monetizing your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.